Hello, my name is Goldie and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some great smoothie recipes just for you and me, of course, that are very beneficial to our bodies. Some of them help fight gut inflammation, any kind of inflammation in your body, great nutrients, and also, again, the gut. A lot of our weight gain starts in the gut. If our gut is not cleaned out regularly, like men, you know, men go every day, but women, we kind of struggle in that area. So my smoothies do contain fiber, vitamin K, vitamin B's, all kind of nutrients that will clean your system. And this is part of the process of the journey that I'm on to lose weight. And mine's really, I want to start in my gut, cleaning that gut out, purifying my blood, and getting rid of inflammation. And if you're on that journey, stick around and check out these smoothies. I guarantee you, you'll be satisfied once you try them. I want you to hit me in the comment box and let me know how tasty they are and how smooth they are and how good you're looking. All right, stay tuned. So now that I have cleaned my fruits and vegetables from pesticides with the apple cider vinegar, now I'm going to cut them all up. I'm going to keep the skin on the cucumbers because that's the best part. Cucumbers are really good. They are great for with fiber, anti-inflammatory. They are assorted with vitamin B, B1, B5, B7. They are just awesome for you. And you know what they say about an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Very true statement. I'm going to blend this up in my blender. Last time I did this, I juiced it in my juicer. But today, I'm going to use and I'm also going to add some flax seeds and some chia seeds to this as well, along with some coconut water and some celery and also some lemon. My celery, I cleaned my celery too. These doesn't have to be real small pieces because, again, I am going to put these in the blender. And of course, I'm not going to drink all of this in one day. So I do have my mason jars that I store this in. Now, usually I'll freeze it, but I think this time I'm just going to refrigerate it because I plan on drinking it within the next 2 or 3 days. Today is my first day of starting my weight loss challenge for myself, 2 pounds a week, and I hope that you are joining me. So good. Okay. Okay, we're done here. I'm just gonna cut the lime in half. Now, because my Ninja, and this is a Ninja, my Ninja cups usually blend better than this picture. So what I'm doing is I am pouring this in a strainer and I'm going to let the juice drip in. Now you say to yourself, could have done this and got the same results from a juicer. But that would not be true because the juicer actually peels off the skin. And I wanted to keep the skin in for extra vitamins. And so this is the way that I have to do it. So my next smoothie recipe will contain strawberries, avocado, Activia berries, my chia seeds, flax seeds, and some frozen blueberry mix. If my everything looks frozen, it is because I freeze everything. Even my avocado is frozen, okay? I freeze it because I want it to hold. I don't make smoothies every day. I tend to make them, I try to make them once a week or twice a week. My strawberries are frozen as well. So is my Activia. So is this. Everything is frozen, okay? It makes a great smoothie. So now I'm going to transfer my turmeric, ginger, cinnamon sticks that I boiled. I'm going to transfer that over into this pitcher, and this will go into my smoothie. I try to get all of these ingredients into my smoothies, into my body, because I need them. It helps fight inflammation. And if you're suffering with any kind of pain, you should be doing this. This turmeric and ginger and cinnamon is awesome. It does great things for your body. Trust me when I tell you. So I'm going to transfer that over. I boiled it and I let it sit for a while so the cinnamon and everything flavors could extract into the water. All right, so then I'm going to start my blending with my next smoothie. So now I did take 2 pieces of the turmeric and put it in here in my blending cup. Now I'm going to take my Activia, great probiotics. Have you going to the bathroom, which is a good thing. Clean out your gut. Let's see. Strawberries. Put my strawberries back to keep them frozen. Strawberries. Now I'm going to cut this avocado open. Ah, did I just cut myself? Oh Lord, I hope not. Okay. You see that avocado is still great. Frozen. I'm going to scoop some of this out of here. Makes the smoothie nice and smooth. Smooth. Okay. Then I'm going to throw my chia seeds, flax seeds, and a little bit more of this organic fruit stuff, fruit berries. So this is my berry smoothie. Yes, get them berries in there, honey. I'm going to scoop some of my turmeric, ginger, cinnamon tea in here. Still a little hot. Yummers! All right. All right. So my next recipe will be a strawberry kiwi banana smoothie. This will include a banana, strawberry, kiwi, avocado, a mixed berry Activia, my chia seeds and my flax seeds, and also my ginger tea, turmeric, and cinnamon tea. All right, so yes, it's all frozen. Even my banana is frozen. That's what I do to preserve the goods. All right, so we are all done making the smoothies. I hope that you enjoyed each and every step of the way. I hope that you will try them. And yes, I know some of y'all saying she frees everything. Yes, I do, because I don't have time to be running to the store every 2 days to get fresh products. And I don't have time. Honestly, I don't even like going in the grocery store, but I go because I have to. Anyway, I cut up all of my kiwi. And guess where that's going? In the freezer. So at any rate, thank you so much if you stayed to the end of this. I really appreciate it. And if you would, please hit the subscribe button and the like button and the bell notification so that you will be informed of any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for sticking around, and see you later.